guys, welcome back to another video. Today I decided to do a review on this hair that I have on right now. So, I initially saw this hair from a client that I just did an install on, and I really love the hair, so I decided to purchase it for myself. So, I got this hair from Kanivi.com. This is the Malaysian Deep Wave, and I have 3 bundles of 26 inches and a 20-inch frontal. Yes, so I have in 3 bundles of 26 inches and a 20-inch frontal. This hair company is located in Brooklyn, New York, but I decided to purchase the hair online at Kanivi.com. I did go through their Instagram and I loved a lot of their pictures, and they have like 7 different types of hair bundles. They have lots of different deals going on, so I was just like, I have to purchase this hair. Plus, when I did it on my client hair, it was very nice, very soft, so I was just like, I have to get it. So I purchased this hair and I did turn it into a unit. So I did make it into a wig, like I always do. All my hairs are wigs. So I did make it into a wig. They had a deal going on that I purchased. If you bought 2 bundles, you got 1 bundle free, and I did purchase the 20-inch frontal separately. I was a little nervous because my client, when she did her hair, she had in 2 bundles of 30 inches and 2 bundles of 28 inches and also a 26-inch frontal. So I was nervous that my hair was not going to be as full because she had 4 bundles and I was purchasing 3 bundles. But as you can tell, thin wear. Okay, this hair is not thin. So I was okay with purchasing the 3 bundles, and I just said to myself that if I bought the 3 bundles and it wasn't full enough, I was just gonna suck it up and buy 1 more bundle and just stick it in there. But I don't need to, because honey, thin wear. Okay, so I did purchase the deal that they had going on. I'm not sure if they still have the deal now, but you can definitely check on their website. It's Kanivi.com. I was very impressed by shipping. Shipping was very, very fast. I think I ordered this hair on a Monday and it came on Thursday. They are located in New York, so if you are in New York, you can pick up the hair, and they do also do free 1-day delivery, I believe. I saw like an ad or something on their website, but I just decided to order the hair instead. It came really fast and it didn't have any smell. The hair didn't smell at all, and I did co-wash it before I made it into a wig. I did co-wash it, and this is the hair in its natural state. This is it dry in its natural state, and it is very soft and very full and very flowy and very bouncy, and I'm just like so happy with this hair. The only thing I have in my hair right now is water with a little bit of conditioner in it. So I literally just spray it with the water and the conditioner, and there's no shedding at all. No shedding. I have makeup on my hands, guys. That looks kind of funny, but there's no shedding, and the hair, as you can see, is not frizzy. Like I said, the only thing I have in my hair is water and conditioner. So the hair is not frizzy and it's very full. And I was so nervous because I thought I was gonna have to buy an extra bundle, but guess what? I don't gotta buy an extra bundle. But I really love this hair and I'm gonna buy more hair. And I want to try their body wave because it looks very flowy and bouncy and pretty. And now that I know of this company, I'm definitely gonna be buying more hair. But I did bleach my knots and plucked the hair and installed it, and I love this hair. It also came with some free eyelashes, some free mink eyelashes, okay? And they have a little flyer in the packaging, which was really cute. Just like their name and their address and their telephone number on there. Oh yeah, it says right here, text only for same day orders, New York City. So if you're in New York, you can definitely get this hair the same exact day. They do deliver. I don't know how much that costs. Oh, it says free same day delivery in New York City. So if you are in New York, you can purchase this hair and get it the same day for free delivery. Are you kidding me? Like, this is crazy. So definitely check it out. I would definitely recommend this hair, and this is very cute. Like, they have this little cute flyer in there that comes with the hair, and on the back it has like their little bundle deals right here that I purchased, and like they have 7 different textures of their hair. They have body wave, straight, deep wave, ocean wave, loose wave, kinky curl, flower curl, some fancy shit. So cute. Yeah, so definitely I would definitely recommend this hair. I really love it. And I'm just gonna show you guys. I can't stop playing in it. See, like every time I talk, I'm like running my hands through it. But just look at my frontal, guys. What frontal? Look at it. And like I said, all I have in my hair right now is just water. Water and conditioner. And I'm gonna show you guys how long it is on me. And I did do a mini video on how I installed this hair, so I'm gonna put it right after this clip right now. So if you want to see how I installed this pretty ass beautiful hair,